Hi, my name is Jason Berns, and on behalf of Laura and the entire Berns team at Keller Williams International, we are pleased to welcome you to our latest luxury listing here in the city of Santa Clarita. We're here at 19130 Malabar. If the previous listing we had just across the way is any indication, this property is going to be a hot property and it's going to move quick. So come on in and take a tour of 19130 Malabar. Now that you've taken a tour of this incredible property, you've seen it from the drone above, you've gotten the feel for this gated community, we invite you to go to the property website at www.19130malabar.com. There you can find out an abundance of photos, our floor plan, and one of our favorite features over the last decade, the 3D floor plan, where you can come from the comfort of your own home and pretend like you're walking through as you scroll through on your tablet or smartphone. If you want to come and see this property in person, the Berns team is known for our 6-day marketing blitz. Over the next 6 days, we're going to showcase this home. Come and see it this coming weekend, and then come next week to our twilight tasting, where you can sit in the backyard and see what it would be like to make this property your very own. If you have any questions about buying here in Santa Clarita, what this gated community is like, what the 184 homes in this gated community, what it would be like to be the owners of one of them, find the Berns team on any of our social media platforms. You can find us on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, or Pinterest. Or go to our team's website, www.betterwithberns.com, where you can see how we've helped more than 130 families in the last 12 months. It's a fabulous time to be executing on your plans to become a real estate owner here in Southern California. Interest rates are starting to tick up, so don't miss out. For all your real estate needs, whether it's buying this incredible newer construction Toll Brothers home, whether it's selling another property so you can buy this, investing in real estate, or even leasing, please remember, it's always better with Berns.